Welcome to another vlog. Today is a content day, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's about 10 in the morning. I just got to my hair appointment. I am going to get these layers fixed, okay? If you're following me on social media, you probably already know that I cut my own layers last month. It was the day before my birthday, and I was scrolling on Pinterest looking at curly layered haircuts. I found a Mains by Mel tutorial, and the rest is history. I don't think it came out bad, but I just want to get them fixed. My hair is getting pretty long and my layers were almost non-existent, so it was getting weighed down. I want to get my layers blended properly while keeping the length. I'm so happy with this growth, okay? After this, I'm gonna meet up with Alexis. We're gonna go thrifting, and then we're gonna go to the sunflower field when the sun is setting during golden hour and get some content. I'm so excited. I love our content days. We always have so much fun. So that's the plan today. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So I'm back home now, and I like to let my hair air dry. It's about 50% dry, but I'm gonna add a little bit more water at the roots and add a little bit of product because I saw this claw clip hair hack where you place the claw clip on top of your head while your hair dries, and it just gives you more volume. So I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna make a reel and a TikTok. So I'm taking my rings off because I don't like to apply product to my hair when I have my rings on. My hair feels so much healthier and it looks amazing. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's fully dry. I'm gonna apply this pattern curl cream, and then I'm gonna make a viral TikTok breakfast cookie that I saw last night. It looks really good, so can't wait to try that. I also bought this hair blinger that went viral on TikTok as well, so I'm excited to try this. I want to try it on my curly hair because I've seen so many girls use this with straight hair, so can't wait to see how it looks with my curly hair. I got this off of Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box. If you haven't heard of Color Wow, you're probably sleeping under a rock. So they have a lot of different products. So far, I've only used the Dream Coat for curly hair, and it works really good. But I'm really excited to try this one for humidity. So this one is supposed to keep your hair straight through any humidity. And I saw a video where he used the product and he placed a few droplets of water on her hair and it just rolled off. It's practically a water repellent. If it's raining or if there's any humidity in the air, my hair just expands and it's over. I've heard so many great things about this product right here. I'll also have this linked in the description box. I'm gonna make a video using this and this one as well. This one's similar. This is the Dream Cocktail Coconut Infused. I've heard it smells really good. I haven't smelled it yet though. Let's see. It does smell good. It smells like a pina colada. So this is a leave-in treatment. Instantly defrizzes, smooths, and silkens. Honey. Now let's go make that viral breakfast cookie. All right, so these are the ingredients: coconut oil, protein powder, oats, almond milk, baking powder, chocolate chips, cinnamon, and only half of a banana. So let's do this. I just got a shirt that I ordered from Target in the mail as well because all of their men graphic tees were half off last week, which was a great deal because they're normally $12, but they were all $6, and I love the men's graphic tees. So this one's a little bit older, but finally got it. Pizza Planet. So cute. I love wearing graphic tees when I film my hair tutorials. So, or for like pajama shirts, I always order them in extra large because I love them oversized. So, love that. All right, so it says to air fry at 360 for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna preheat my air fryer. All right, 360. Now let's get the ingredients. I might have to make a TikTok on this if it's really good. Whoa. half cup of oats, half of a medium banana. And she mashed her banana in with everything. Usually I would mash it first, but I'm just gonna do what she did. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of milk, using almond milk, sprinkle of cinnamon, 1/2 scoop of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. Coconut oil, there we go. It's a nice consistency. All right, I thought it was gonna be harder to mash, so that's good. Let's add those chocolate chips, baby. 1, 2. Oh my gosh, I make a smiley face. So cute. How cute is that? Okay. Look how gorgeous that is. Into the air fryer she goes for 10 minutes. Okay, there we go. The cookie's almost done, so let's make some coffee. I bought this Nespresso machine for myself as a birthday present last month, and best investment. I love this thing so much. I got it on sale online from Target. I keep all of my pods in this vase. Let's do vanilla custard pie today. Let me make sure my water is full. I love this silk oat creamer. It's called Sweet Oat Latte. It's so good. I always add just a little bit. And I top it with some cinnamon. I have some cinnamon stencils coming in the mail from Shein. I'm not sure if they're gonna work or not, but we will see. All right, the final reveal. Dun, 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 dun. She's burnt. Dang, she burnt. All right, well, let's see how it tastes. I probably shouldn't have done the smiley face. I probably should have mixed the chocolate chips in with the cookie, but the bottom doesn't look burnt. See? All right, here we go. Actually really good. Wow. It doesn't taste burnt at all. Oh, it's yummy. It tastes like banana bread. This is delicious. I still have the clips in my hair. My hair takes forever to dry, okay? My hair is about 90% dry now, so let's see if this hack works. I look like a golden doodle, feeling super shaggy chic. Alexis is on her way to get me, so I'm chugging my Glow right now. This is really good for hair, skin, and nails. I'll have it linked in the description box. I've been drinking it for a few weeks now, and I like it. It's really good. Especially after I just got that trim, okay? I'm trying to grow my hair back out. I want my hair down to my butt, down to my booty, okay? Ready? We're gonna look for some Disney stuff. Make sure you're subscribed to Alexis's channel. She posts all the Disney content. You look so cute. All right. And I'm actually looking for like an oversized button up. I already have a white one, but I've seen like striped ones on Amazon. So that'd be cool if I found one here. Thanks, babe. This is cute. It's H&M. It's in the men's section. I might get it. I like it. What size is it? Extra large. Perfect. Look at these mugs. I have the misses at home. I got mine from Target. I didn't know they had a mister though. And they're only $2, you said?
Yeah.
Holy shit. That's pretty cool. I would get the, yeah, I would get the mister, but my husband does not drink coffee.
Oh.
That's cool.
He'll match my white Santa.
She has a whole
It's
mug.
a Target.
Yeah, it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
I had this last year, but I never could get the black one. It was sold out.
She has a whole mug collection.
I do. I can't buy
love
any
it.
Christmas stuff though until after Halloween.
We gotta get through Halloween
I've already bought
first.
stuff in July for Halloween. I'm crazy. I'm psycho.
She's a psycho.
Crazy.
Okay, so they just sell these Coke bottles. Like someone drank out of it and now they're selling it, or what?
Yep.
$1.49. Dang, that's how like
People collect them, I think.
these are such an antique that you
Yeah.
can just drink your Coke and then take it to Goodwill and have them sell it.
I like this too. It's so cute.
That is cute.
But I have to restrain.
Ugh, it's so hard.
It's Halloween, I can buy it. So I tell myself.
Okay, this is going to be Battle of the Stripes. We have 6 contesters. 3 of them are like the same color, but I found a pink one. And then I have a purple one. 3 blue ones, and there's this like teal and brown one. It's like a mint and brown. Right, so this is the first one. Is this a no? Maybe no. Yeah, I don't like the color. These could be pajamas because I have really long arms. It's rare that I find sleeves that are longer than my arms, so
It's cute though.
I feel so tiny. For once.
I'm little.
I'm so tiny. I like this.
that one.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is a winner. Ooh,
It's cute like that too.
But
I don't like it.
you don't like the purple one? Mahela found a vintage juicy.
It's definitely vintage because it has
jacket.
a J on it. So
What does it say?
this is J,
On
Juicy
the
Couture,
tag too.
made in Glamorous, USA.
Yeah.
That's the old school,
real
right?
vintage.
Yes, you found a good one.
Vintage. And then she found a dress from Toby, which is a good site. They said that she can't try them on though because there was an accident in the fitting rooms, but that one's really pretty
She got
too.
this hot pink one.
Alrighty, 8:35.
That's a steal.
Who you telling?
Next stop, Cause for Paws. So this place is actually a thrift store that has pets. I think it's just cats though. I've been to their other location and the other location only had cats. So let's see what animals they have here. Let's try.
That's the kitty cow that works.
Kitty, 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 kitty. You can say it as fast as you. We found a Coach purse for $20. I just realized I left my jacket at the first thrift store we were at. I got too excited with my little fashion show, so I called them to make sure no one was gonna buy it. So we're gonna go back and get it after we hit up this next thrift store. I'm gonna take some pictures of Alexis with her Mickey ears. We're getting content today, honey.
I like that one.
Ooh.
That one. Oh, that one.
All right, this is the next spot. Unorthodox, vintage. Hi.
I totally understand that. Yeah, I'm trying to learn TikTok over here. So.
Little Kirby, so cute. Look at that booty. An old school phone. What? I used to have a Nickelodeon one. Wait, there we go. Forgot how to use it for a second. This is how we used to dial people.
We follow the trends.
Just like
Yeah, we don't need that.
Ooh, shrimp. What'd you get?
I got kids quesadilla, elote, and rice and beans.
Ooh, she got the
I
one
didn't
on
know
the
it came
cob. Looks delicious. I got a shredded chicken burrito. I was craving a burrito, honey.
A burrito.
Got some green sauce and some red sauce. We just changed in the car. The sun is setting, so we only have so much time Let's get these pictures. I got this dress from TJ Maxx. It's so pretty. I'm really excited to get some pictures in it. Where'd you get your dress, Alexis?
I think the same.
Oh, TJ Maxx too? Where'd you get yours, girl?
We're 21.
We're 21. I'm excited. So they said on the Instagram that the sunflowers are already wilting because of the humidity, so that kind of sucks. It's a whole park. That's perfect. I just got home. It got late so fast, and Alexis gave me this big old bag of makeup that she didn't want. It's practically a bag of brand new makeup, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Ooh, Jeffree Star. Got some Morphe. Illuminati. Okay. All right, so it's about 9 p.m. I'm gonna end the vlog here. We had so much fun. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.